Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add control panel to the right-click menu on the desktop in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click HKey classes root. Click Directory. Click Background. Click Shell. Right-click Shell, New Key. Type Control Panel. Right-click Control Panel, New Key. Type Command. Right-click Modify. Copy value from description and paste it. Click OK and exit Registry. Control panel is successfully added. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.